Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for beginners. To start, open Notion and create a new page. You can choose from many pre-built templates or begin with a blank canvas. Think of Notion as a digital Lego set. You build your workspace using various content blocks. These blocks include simple text, headings, to-do lists, and even images. This foundational step helps you quickly set up your first workspace. Once you have a basic page, explore Notion's powerful databases. These allow you to manage information in structured ways, like a task list, a content calendar, or a client relationship manager. You can link pages together, creating a web of interconnected information. This makes navigating your workspace incredibly efficient. Personalize your pages with custom icons and covers to make them visually distinct and easier to find. Notion offers a vast template gallery, providing pre-built solutions for almost any need, from project management to personal journaling. Don't be afraid to duplicate these templates and then modify them to perfectly suit your unique workflow. Customization is key to making Notion truly yours. You can change colors, fonts, and even the layout of your pages, ensuring your workspace feels intuitive and reflects your personal style. To truly supercharge your Notion experience, learn a few key keyboard shortcuts. These can save you significant time when navigating and editing. Notion also integrates with many other applications, allowing for a seamless flow of information between your tools. Finally, remember that Notion is excellent for collaboration. You can easily share pages with others, granting different access levels, making teamwork incredibly efficient.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.